I'm gonna show you how to make a popsicle. You exactly need, let me show you the list of things you exactly need. You could use berries, any kind of liquids. Don't just use water because it's just gonna take like frozen ice. You'll need a mixer. You'll need berries and stuff like me. You'll need a little cup for popsicles. Even any kinds that will make a shape or a popsicle. You'll need honey, a cup, and silk almond organic milk. Okay, now we're gonna put a few berries inside the mixer. Wait, let me get a berry. Okay, here's some of that. Let me see another berries. No, oh my god. This is a frozen piece. I think after this frozen piece, I don't need any more because it's gonna be a big piece of berries. Now, let me just put a little more and that's gonna be done. There, I don't think any more. Okay, now I'm gonna put honey inside. How much? Now I'm done. Hey, chop yours. That's a good milk. Now I'm gonna put some almond milk. Now my mom is gonna mix. Now I'm gonna put some water. Now my mom is gonna mix them. Now my mom is gonna mix all of this together into a sweet kind of how do I say it? Like a sweet kind of smoothie stuff. And then we're gonna freeze it and turn it into a popsicle. Got it, little sis? Now my mom's mixed it up in a kind of drink. I'm gonna try the drink. Me too. Mom, you too. And my little sister. Here. Now I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna pour this in the cups. I'm gonna put the rest of them inside. Okay, now we're gonna go and freeze them. Now we're done with our popsicles. Let's see how they look like. Inside, of course, is still pictures. Mom, you're not sure. We're gonna eat. That. Yes, we're gonna eat. Like and follow for more.